Well, and so here again, more of my current events videos. And you would think, hi, well, with what's going on in Minnesota, you would think it wouldn't happen again. Now we have a case in Columbia, South Carolina, and I spent a lovely 7-month vacation there, quote unquote, as a political prisoner. And I blew their ass out all the way to the state house alone from a jail cell and doing it too. And now you got the police chief there saying that, the thug or cop who had his knee on the back of another black man's neck did nothing wrong. His knee got accidentally misplaced to the wrong position, and the guy was actively resisting arrest. Hey, chief, and all you chiefs out there, cut the crap. What you're out there doing is enforcing statutes that, whether you know it or not, only apply to artificial corporate entities. You can't be resisting arrest, quote unquote, to laws that don't apply to you, number one. Number two, you go into your own damn just us courts and you find out there's no right to trial by jury, no right to habeas corpus, no right to an appeal. And every document that you try to put in there, the judges have ruled, especially in my California case, they have the authority to refuse to file them or summarily remove them from the docket if they were wrongfully filed. What the hell kind of a system is this? It's not one that represents the Republican form of government that we should have. And there are no judicial courts where you can go in and make constitutional objections. And I have a lot of multiple unopposed issues that you people can learn about. Send me an email, youwinnincourt@gmail.com. And I'll send back, what I have available, and you send issues I do. And I stop them every time. They can't beat me, and they won't be able to beat you either. But this has to stop. And law enforcement, speaking to you, if you're out there on the street and you're trying to enforce laws that don't apply to people, guess what? Nothing you do is an official act. You don't have any immunity. And if it keeps on going like this, some people are going to reach the conclusion that when they see a law enforcement thug on the street, that they should be expected to be taken down, maybe even killed. So therefore, they're going to have to act first. And if they do that, the Constitution mandates and the Supreme Court of the United States has ruled, we have a right to self-defense. You figure it out. I mean, this is the kind of thing that has to change all of it to stop all of this nonsense. And when it does that, it takes down a lot of the justice system along with it. That's the beauty of it. We can do it. So that said, people, remember to like my videos, subscribe, tell your friends, get the word out. We have to stop this nonsense, particularly this kind of crap in Minneapolis and Columbia, but a lot of other parts of this damn justice system too, and federal, regional, martial law rule. And this happened, for crying out loud, in South Carolina, the very cradle of states' rights. But I can tell you from personal experience, nobody had a damn idea what the hell I was talking about when I was there. All they did was understand they were wrong, I was right. And eventually they had to let me go. I didn't even get close to a jury because I would have broke the state bar monopoly on the practice of law. So I didn't have a bad day there, but it should never have happened, any of it. But from that experience and what I've done over the course of 5 decades, I can help you out in your situations too. So send me an email along, youwinnincourt@gmail.com. And I'll let you know what I have, very modestly priced constitutional defense document packets and a COVID packet now for all this martial law crap going on with the pandemic. Good Lord, well, don't get me started on that. Anyway, for now, tell your friends, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.